All right, so vacation is over. Time to start work. All right, so I just bought this property about a month ago. Today is our first day on this project. It's roughly 2,000 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom up top. And we're gonna put a bathroom and a bedroom and a kitchen in the basement. So it would be Airbnb at top, Airbnb at the bottom. Let me just walk you around the property. It's roughly on 1.1 acres of land. It has 2 driveways to it, so whoever stays at the bottom, they will have their own driveway access. And also down here, it has its own stream, or you could call it a gorge. All right, so today, everybody's coming out. We have the plumbers, the electricians, the HVAC guys. Who else? There's a few other contractors that are coming out. So today is going to be a crazy day. Let's see. So it's a lot of work we have to do. It's going to take maybe a few months. But here's the other driveway that I was talking about. So whoever is staying at the bottom, they will have their own entrance. It's a beautiful property though. It's a lot of work that needs to be done. As you can currently see, we have to do a lot of grading and stuff on the grounds. You see all these potholes and everything. So take you around the property. Let's see. There's a lot of crap in this yard. All right, so I see one contractor that just arrived. So, let's see. Good morning, Good morning, everybody.
How are you this morning?
Yeah, man, everything's good. Hey, son.
How are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
Good, thanks.
I'm just doing a quick filming. All right, so this is the inside of the property. So right here, we're actually taking out this whole interior wall. It's gonna divide the kitchen and the living room, and over here is the bathroom. As you can see, it's definitely a gut job, right? Here, it's bedroom number 1, bathroom, bedroom number 2. A lot of work to be done. So first order of business that we're gonna be taking down the ceilings. That's what we'll be doing today. And then the HVAC guys, they will come in and start doing the initial pipe work. All right, so that's what it is for now. I'll keep you all updated.